This is the Apple Watch Series 6. I've been rocking a Series 0 since the Apple Watches came out, and I think after 5+ years, it's time we upgrade. So let's open this bad boy up. What is up, everybody? My name is Anthony. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, I do things all about technology on this channel. So if you enjoy that type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, hit like on this video, and make sure you turn on those notifications so you don't miss a single video. Today, I'm gonna unbox and give you my first impressions on the Apple Watch Series 6. Before I open this up, I do wanna say that a lot of people are annoyed that Apple did not put a power adapter in the iPhone 12s. But I can tell you they did not put a power adapter in this either. The Apple Watch Series 6 does not come with a power adapter. It comes with a power cable, just like the iPhone 12 series, but it does not come with a little charging brick. So be warned if you are choosing to purchase this. All right, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. One thing about Apple that I've always loved is their packaging. I mean, just look at this. Look at the way they got this thing packaged. All right, you've got all different types of Apple Watch options on here. I mean, it even looks like they're all just like cool renders of the Apple Watch Series 6. All right, so let's take this out. I got a leather link band with it as well. So this is Apple's packaging. Comes with 2 boxes. And place that right over there. We've got the Apple Watch here, and let's first unbox the Apple Watch band so you can see if you do buy the Apple Watch with a band like I have, you will see that this comes with that. So we're gonna open that up in a second. So each Apple product will have a little thing that you can grab here and you can just really open right up. So let's go ahead and do that now. Very faint, but you can hear that noise. Just like on the iPhone 12, there's like that pull tab that you can do, or just that plastic coming off. If you do want to check out my unboxing of that video, you can go ahead and click the little iCard up in the corner, and that will be able to take you right to there after you watch this video. So let's open this up. So I remember back in the day when I got these, back in 2014, 2015, these boxes were just a wee bit bigger. All right, so it's small. Nothing really in there, but it is really pretty. So we're gonna place that over there. So you open it up, you got some stupid little manual thing. Kind of explains how the Apple Watch band works, which, because this is a new style watch band for me, I am excited to try this out. That is really pretty. This is the real leather version. So that is beautiful. Wow. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Complete leather. Beautiful. And it's magnetic. Oh, that's so awesome. Okay, I'm gonna place this over to the side here. All right. Here's the big reveal. The Apple Watch Series 6 I got in black because I'm so used to the gold. I'm like, okay, I don't wanna go for gold again. I wanna do a black, all black style feel. And yeah, so let's open this bad boy up. Okay, so on here there are 2 tabs that you can pull. Little bad boys here. I love that Apple does this. It's very helpful. They're not very like ASMR type. They're very just rip it off and call it a day. All right, let's flip her over and look at that. Beautiful. All right, so before we open that up, we've got the designed in Apple, California, of course. Kind of shows you if you are a first-time Apple Watch user, it shows you all of the guides that you kind of need to know to understand kind of what's going on and what you're doing, how you charge the device, how the watch faces work, what the side button and digital crown do, and then of course there's the 1-year limited warranty that comes with it as well. Place that right over there without burning myself. So it comes also with a charging port. It is very specific to the Apple Watch. It pretty much though is like a older version of MagSafe. So now let's get to the big reveal. The brand new 44mm Apple Watch Series 6. This thing is gorgeous. It is in the aluminum finish. I decided not to go with the surplus, the price increase. Wow, this is really tight in there. Apple, what are you doing? Oh, okay, look at that. Ooh, I'm turning it on. Look at this though. Look at how cool that looks. That is so cool. I love it. I love it. We got that. I got the magnetic loop which I am going to enjoy. This is going to be really nice, I hope. Okay, so this Apple Watch is so much nicer than the Apple Watch Series 0. Really unique. I love the always on display. Definitely something I'm going to enjoy for probably about 4 or 5 years. Those are kind of my first impressions of it. The way it looks, the way it feels. I do not like this Apple Watch band at all, but it was one of the only ones they had in stock left, so I kind of had to go with it. I want to give them all of my impressions after using it for a little while on the full comprehensive review. If you are looking forward to that or do want to see that, make sure you like the video down below, hit subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss that video. It's your boy Annie. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.